How do you coach people to find their voice?
Yeah. So silence, by definition, is an absence of voice, absence of life, absence of thought. It happens so subtly that we don't even realize it's happening, right? Most of us wouldn't say, I am now going to actively self-censor and bite my tongue. Over time, it's just, oh, I got nothing to add. Or, nope, that's okay. We're okay. Are we really okay? The meme, fine, and what that means. All of those memes exist for a reason. In contrast, voice is not just the words that we say or don't say in a meeting, but voice is how we move through the world. Do we have agency to decide where and how we want to spend our time? Which battles we want to fight? Many think that unlearning silence means say everything all the time to everyone. And let me be really clear, that is not the message. Chapter 3 of the book is when silence makes sense. Because the world is far too noisy and complex for us to be saying everything all the time to everyone. There are people who do that. We call them no filter people. We wish that they would filter a little bit more. Right. But voice is, do I get to choose? Do I get to choose when I want to share, when I want to bring my ideas? If I want to share, do I have the ability to do that? Is there the reception from other people that makes it worth it and makes it make sense for me to share?